Hello everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Instagram and Facebook content generator in workfx.ai. After logging into workfx, click to enter the Instagram and Facebook module. The first step is to choose a post starter. Starters are automatically recommended based on your industry. If you are in e-commerce, you'll see options like New Drop, UGC Feel, and Offer Push. If you are in AI or SaaS, you'll see more options like educational content and founder storytelling. You just need to choose a direction based on your content plan. After selecting a starter, we move to step 2, choosing a specific content topic. This step turns your general direction into a more concrete idea. For example, in e-commerce under product launch, you might see topics like launch reveal, hero product, or drop teaser. For AI or SaaS under use cases, you might see topics like pain points or workflow fit. You can think of this step as deciding how exactly you want to present your content. Just pick the topic that best fits your marketing goal. Step 3, input your materials. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to paste a link, such as your product page, feature page, or landing page. The second is to upload images, such as product visuals or reference images. We recommend using links whenever possible, or combining both methods. This is because the system can directly read web page content, which makes the generated results more accurate. For AI and SaaS products, you can also upload your product logo and style references. If you only upload a single image, the information may be limited and the results may be less complete. Step 4, set generation parameters. Here you can configure the number of images, aspect ratio, visual style, language, and the platform, such as Instagram or Facebook. Just choose based on your publishing needs. One thing to note, the system provides a default prompt, but in some cases, it's helpful to make small adjustments. For example, for a product launch, you can add a bit more product detail. For a workflow demo, you can describe the specific process. For feature showcases, you can highlight the key features you want to emphasize, especially for SaaS products. If the page content is not very detailed, adding a short note here is usually enough. You don't need to change much. Once everything is set, step 5, generate content. Click to generate. The system will create a complete content package, optimized for both SEO and GEO. This includes high-quality images, keyword-optimized titles, relevant hashtags, and alt text for each image. After generation, take a quick look at the content. Check if there is any inaccurate information, or if the tone needs adjustment. If everything looks good, you can use it directly. Final step, download and publish. You can download all images at once, or select only the ones you like. Then copy the text and post directly to Instagram or Facebook. There's also an additional feature. If you have your own content structure, you can use a custom prompt. Simply enter your own prompt, for example, your content format, brand style, or campaign template. Then follow the same steps and generate content. You can also save this workflow for future reuse. To summarize, the workflow is: choose a template, choose a topic, input materials, set parameters, generate content, download and publish. You can complete the entire process, from idea to publishing, in one go. That's it. This is how you use the Instagram and Facebook agent in workfx.ai.